Hello students, good morning. As we have already started a topic relations and functions, as we have already learned that what is the meaning of the relation in the form of introduction and the types of the relation. In our previous session, we have learned how to solve the statement sums related to relation problem. In continuation with this topic, today we will learn what is the meaning of the function and the types of the function. Now, our today topic is introduction and types of functions. Now, meaning of the function. Function means operation. As we have already learned in our junior classes, fx is equal to some value is given to you. When you put the value of x there, you are having some result there. It's the meaning of the operation. So function means operation. Functions from a set A to set B. Now, because we are talking about the set, so we are talking about that. What is the function from a set A to set B? Let A and B are the two non-empty sets there. Then a function f, it's also denoted with the letter f. From set A to set B, it is a rule. It is a mapping which associates, which gives each element of set A to exactly one element of set B. Means each element of set A is in mapping with each one element of set B. If f is a function from set A to set B, it is denoted such that f is a function from set A to set B. Now, I am taking one example here. Set A is having element A, B and C. And set B is having element 1, 2 and 3. Now, when we are doing the mapping here, or according to some rules, f1 function is there. So when we put the value of A, it are having some relation with 1 there. A, 1, having some answer according to the rules. B, 2, C, 3. Means each element of set A, B and C, having exactly one image in set B, 1, 2 and 3. A, 1 image 1. B, 1 image 2. C, 1 image 3. Every element of set A having exactly one image in B, therefore, function is denoted as f1. So, f1 is the function there. Now, in this example, when a set B are having the elements 1, 2 and 3, and rule f1 we are applying there. According to the rule, 1 is having one image x, 2 is having one image y, but 3 is not having any image there in set B. Since element 3 from set A has no image in set B, so f1 is not a function there. Now, because we are talking about that, there are some rules of set A and set B which is known as the functions there. So set A element, set B element and the rule which applying here, that is also having some name there. That are the domain, codomain and range. If we are talking that the function from set A to set B, so set A element is called the domain of function f. Means if I am talking that the set A and set B, set A and set B are, set A element is ABC, set B element is 1, 2 and 3. So set A element is the domain, set B element is the codomain. Set B is called the codomain of function f. The set of all images of element of set A under f is called the range or image of set A under f. Now, if I am saying that after rule, I find out that A having image 1, B having image 2, C having image 3. So 1, 2, 3 are the range there. After rule, whatever image we find out there, that image is called the range there. Now, how we can find out the number of functions from one set to the another set? If I am talking that number of functions from set A to set B, the formula is there, q raised to power p. Now q is the number of element of set B and p is the number of element of set A. Now I am taking one example in which set A is A, B, C and D. Set B is 1, 2, 3 and 4. F1 is function there because A, B, C and D are having their one image here. A is having one image, B is having one image, C is having one image, D is also having one image there. When we are making its order pair, so A1, B3 after rule, B3, C2, D4. These are the order pair of function F1 there. Now, how we will write down the domain, codomain and range there. Domain of F1. Function is F1 there. So what is domain there? Set A element is the domain and set B element is the codomain because F is the function from set A to set B. If it is B to set A, it will be the domain, it will be the codomain. From A to B, so it is domain, it is codomain. Codomain of F1 is 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now it's the time of the range. Range means the image. Image of set A under the rules, under the functions in the set B. Now, image of set A under the function is 1 there. Therefore, 1 is the range here. B having image in set B, that is 3. So 3 is also the range here. C element is also having image, that is 2. So 2 is also a range here. D element is also having some image, that is 4. So 4 is also a range there. The range of F1 is 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now types of functions. Types of functions, first we will discuss the equal function. If equal functions are there, so unequal functions are also there. Now I am taking one example. Set A is 1, 2, 3 and 4 and set B is 5, 6, 7 and 8. We are having two functions here. Function F, set A to B and function G, set A to B. Now, when we are finding that set function of A to B. So, A to B function is 1, 5 is given to us, 2, 6, 3, 7, 4 and 8. Order pair is 1, 5, 2, 6, 3, 7, 4 and 8. Under rule, function is this one. Now, if the G function is also having the same order pair here, means 1 having the image 5 here. We will find out in the G function, is 1 is having the same image 5 there? G function 1 is also having the same image 5 there. Then it's the turn of the 2. In F, 2 is having an image of 6 here. Yes, in G function 2 is also having an image of 6 there. Then what about the 4? 4 is having an image of 8. What about here? 4 is also having an image of 8. 3, 7. Or you can say that if the order pair of F and G are same. Yes, F order pair and G order pair are same there. That means that are the equal function. But if in G, order pair are like this one. 1, 6, 3, 8. If any order pair are not matching with the F, therefore F and G are not equal functions there. Now, the main functions are 1 function. Its another name is the injection or injective function. 1 understood by the name 1. One person is having a single image in the mirror. Same case. When we are talking about a function, from set A to set B. Now each element of set A having a single image 1, B having a single image 2, C having a single image 3, D having a single image 4. F A to B. That means every element in A set has a different image in B. So F1 is 1, 1 function. Now, if any element of set A, B, C and D is there, 1, 2, 3 and 4 there. Now, set A is having one image 1, B having one image 2, C having one image 3. But B and D are having a common image. How a single person are having a? How a two person are having a single image in the mirror? Is it possible? If how a two person are having a single image in the mirror? Not possible now. So it is not a 1, 1 function there. Element B and D of set A have common image 2 in the set B. So F2 is not a 1, 1 function. Now the another one is the onto function. According to the onto function, its another name is the surjection or surjective function. Onto, opposite now. In 1, 1, we are talking that image of set A to set B. Onto means pre-image. Onto means pre-image. Now we will talking that ki B set having a single pre-image in the set A. B set having the single pre-image in set A. Now 1 is single pre-image in A, 2 is single pre-image in B, 3 is single pre-image in C, and 4 is also having the single pre-image in D. Every element of set B has its pre-image in set A. So F1 is the onto function. Now, I am taking one more example. Set A and set B is again there. Now function F2 is there. Now, if I am looking here, set A is A, B, C and D. Set B is all having element 1, 2, 3 and 4 there. 1 is having a pre-image A there. 2 is having a pre-image B there. 3 is not having any pre-image there. And 4 is having true pre-image there. 4 is having two pre-image there. Is it possible? A single shadow of two person. A single shadow, a single image in a mirror of a two person. Not possible? Even now twins also. It's not possible. So element 3 of set B has not its pre-image in the set A. So F2 is not onto function. And 4 is also having the true pre-image in the set A there. So now another function is the bijection or bijective function. Bijection function. Bijection function is a function of set A to set B is said to be bijection if it is both 1, 1 and onto. If it is both 1, 1 and onto, means if function is 1, 1 also, function is onto also, so it is the bijection also. A big example of this one also, it is 1, 1 also, it is onto also. So this type of function is called the bijection function also. Now I hope this concept is clear to you people. You are able to do the questions related to this topic. Do more and more practice. Thank you.